So good evening everyone, welcome to Everything Tech. I want to first say congratulations to everyone who have taken their time to mine X Empire. Finally, the token is here. As you can see on my dashboard, in this particular account, you can see I have been given 227,000 of that token. So for this video, I'm going to guide us through on how to withdraw this token to your exchange. Then from that exchange, you can now convert it to USDT after the listing date. When the coin is being listed on the 24th, you can now convert to USDT and sell your token. Or if you decide to hold your token, you hold your token. So without wasting time, first thing we will do is to just go through for today. I will just be taking us on this bybit, on how to withdraw to bybit. Then those of you who wants to withdraw to BitGet wallet, I'll make another video just here on my channel. You will see the video on how to withdraw to your BitGet wallet. So without wasting time, let's dive into it. The first thing you do is to click on your BitGet wallet, or your bybit wallet, sorry. You open, see the requirement here. It say bybit UID. You have to put your UID. You have to put your UID, which is number one, UID. Next requirement is your X deposit address, and next is the memo. So I'll walk you through on how to go about this and without wasting time. So let's first of all, you open your bybit account. It's very simple. The first requirement is your UID. Okay, our bybit account is loading. First thing, tap on your profile. When you tap on your profile, it opens like this. Copy this, use your UID, copy it out. Tap on it, it will copy automatically. When it copies automatically, you come here and then paste it to this place. You have confirmed this one. You are done with this one. Okay, without wasting time, we have done this. Okay, so next thing we'll do now, we'll move to getting our X deposit address. Without wasting time, we'll go back again to bybit, and then the next thing we'll do, click on deposit. When you click on deposit, the token identity is X. Look for X. It's X. So let's not waste time. This is it. When you tap on this X, select the network, which is what? Tone. It's under Tone blockchain. So what do? This is the address. You copy this address. Follow me gently. Follow me step by step. Okay, so you don't make mistake. Come back here and paste this. Copy and what? Paste. Don't type it. Copy and paste. Okay. I'll repeat the process again. Let me cancel this and repeat the process again in case you don't understand. Take your time to pause and play this video. See, verify this, your address, copy it, and then come back here and paste in this space here. Okay, now they say memo. What do we do? Come here now and check memo. Look at this memo, this number 13166. Okay, copy it. That's our memo. Come back here and then paste it accordingly. Okay, paste it. We have done that. So we do what? We save and choose. It's a very simple step, a straightforward step. Reset withdrawal option. Okay, we don't need to reset our withdrawal option. No, we have already connected it and it has already been recorded and saved. So what we do next, say October 18 24, that's today. So what next? We have done everything. So we just exit this page and the money will be sent. You see, selected withdrawal option. It has already shown that we have selected what? Bybit wallet. So except you want to change it, you only click on this reset withdrawal option. If you wish to change it, you have the choice to change it. Go back and reset, and then you can go back to bybit or BitGet or Binance if Binance is later listed. Okay, so that's just a very, very simple step on how to withdraw your token. Your token should be in your bybit wallet anytime soon. Okay, let's go and confirm if it has actually arrived. If it has not arrived, we will just wait and I'll make another video for it. Okay, so we'll refresh the page and then check if it's there. Okay, right now I don't think it has arrived. It's not there now. It's not there. So let's check further. Okay, it has not arrived. Okay, so no need to worry. We have already set our withdrawal. It will come to that place. Okay, but you just need to do this step now so that you can withdraw to the exchange that you wish to. If this video has been interesting and informative for you and you have learned something from this video, please do well to hit the like button and follow this channel for more video. Okay, thank you and have a nice night rest.